guys, good morning, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I am going to related to fashion, travel, lifestyle. There's a lot more. अभी फिलहाल इतनी morning वाली आवाज़ हो रही है कि proper से intro भी नहीं बोला जा रहा. But nonetheless, I am going to do a fun challenge today, and which is going to be Instagram. Basically, my followers on Instagram decide what I do for next 24 hours. Basically, you are going to decide my life. If you are following me on Instagram right now, you are already answering on all the polls I'm posting. So last night I posted a poll that should I wake up early or should I wake up late, and to my surprise everybody said wake up early. I thought everybody will say yeah, wake up later aram se matlab, but everybody said wake up early. So I thought I'll wake up at 7. Usually I wake up at 10, 11. So I was like चलो आज 7 बजे उठूँगी मैं, है ना. फिर मैं 7 बजे उठने की कोशिश करी, मैं नहीं उठ पाई. मैं 8 बजे उठने की कोशिश करी, तब भी नहीं उठ पाई. And currently the time is 9:03. So मैं 8:40 around उठी थी. So that's that. And अभी मतलब मैं अपनी तरफ से तो जल्दी उठी हूँ, but ठीक है, बहुत जल्दी तो नहीं आई है. And next up, मेरे को था मैं जल्दी उठूँगी तो फिर I should ask you one more thing, that should I go for a morning walk or should I go for yoga. और morning walk और yoga के मैंने अभी तक results देखे नहीं है, so let's just watch it. So guys, it's 53% yoga and 47% morning walk. So I am definitely going to do yoga, and yoga is something which I don't really do, which I don't even know how to do, but we'll figure out with watching some YouTube tutorial or something. और अभी फिर मैंने story डाली है what should I have, tea or coffee, or what should I have in breakfast, pancakes और omelette. तो अभी तब तक के लिए टाइम मिल गया सबको वोट करने का, और मैं जाऊँगी and I'll have yoga नहीं, I'll do yoga. Okay guys, so my yoga session is now done, and personally I enjoyed it. It was a very quick 10 minutes yoga session, and I think I should exercise like on a daily basis because I don't do at all. Like जब मैं gym जा रही थी, जब से मेरा gym छूटा है, मतलब जब से lockdown हुआ है, I haven't been going to gym, I haven't been working out at all. And now I am going to see the polls for the chai coffee and the omelette pancake. For chai and coffee, I thought you guys will vote for chai, but I am glad you didn't vote for chai. You voted for coffee. It is 57% of coffee and 43% chai. So I am very happy. I'm gonna make my cold coffee. It will be the perfect start of the morning. Personally, I thought you would vote for pancake because it's fancier than omelette, but you guys chose omelette. 62% omelette and 38 pancakes. Okay, omelette it is. And after breakfast wale polls मैं अभी डाल रही हूँ so that you guys also get time to answer in the polls. So I'm going to post 2 polls right now. One of them will be should I take a shower or stay in pajamas. See, it is personally अभी क्वारंटीन चल रहा है ना, अभी सब घर पे ही हैं, तो मतलब अगर नहा लूँगी सही है, नहीं भी नहाऊंगी तो चलेगा. तो मतलब जो बोलोगे हो जाएगा, कोई इसमें दिक्कत नहीं है, प्रायोरिटी नहीं है मेरी. And second poll I'm gonna put is should I put on some makeup or should I not put on some makeup. So let's see what you guys decide. We're gonna do that after having breakfast. Breakfast is ready. I am having omelette with 2 slices of bread and my cold coffee. Perfect breakfast. I won't lie, I was rooting a little for pancakes more, but omelette is also a great option. और मैं ये खाने वाली. Personally, I have not kept any shoots today. I don't have to shoot. I'm shooting this video right here. So I've asked you, should I watch Netflix or should I watch YouTube? Whatever you will say, I will watch it, and then we'll move on to next steps. And now I'm gonna have my breakfast. Bye. Okay guys, so the breakfast was quite filling and now I feel like taking a nap again. But now I will see आप चाहते हो मैं नहाऊँ कि आप नहीं चाहते मैं नहाऊँ. इतना टफ कंपटीशन है ना. गेट ड्रेस्ड को है 49 वोट्स और इसमें ना फोकस होता नहीं है, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट्स डाल दूँगी. एंड स्टे इन पजामास को है 51 वोट्स. So today I am going to stay in pajamas and I'm so happy about that. Next up, I asked you guys, should I put on some makeup or some only skincare? And skincare has won with a lot of votes. It's 71% skincare and 29% makeup. Netflix and YouTube. Netflix के 68 है, YouTube के 32 है. So we're gonna watch Netflix. Okay guys, after spending half an hour deciding what to watch, I finally decided I'll be watching a Bollywood movie and I was in mood of Bollywood today. So सब लोग आप सोचोगे Netflix पे जाके मैं इतनी पुरानी Bollywood movie देखने वाली हूँ, तो yes, I'm gonna watch दिल चाहता है today. I don't think I've seen this movie and I think it'll be a good time pass. This movie is 3 hours long. It's 11 right now. So I guess I'll be free by lunch only. And now I'm gonna post a poll that should I order in lunch or should I make lunch. So whatever you guys will decide, I'll do that for my lunch. I'm gonna post the poll and then start watching the movie, and then I'll see you in an hour or two with the results of the lunch. So guys, I just finished watching Dil Chahta Hai. It was my first time watching this movie and I'm glad I watched it. It's such a nice romantic Bollywood movie and I cried also a little. Yeah, okay, I cry after every movie. That's another story. Also, when I recently went to Goa, we went to the Dil Chahta Hai fort. Everybody was saying ye Dil Chahta Hai fort hai, ye Dil Chahta Hai fort hai, but I was not aware कि दिल चाहता है में इस फोर्ट की क्या resemblance है, but now I know after watching this movie. And for lunch, I asked you guys voted for cook something, and personally I was so much rooting for ordering something I haven't eaten बाहर का खाना काफ़ी टाइम से, and अब ऑलरेडी 2 बज गए हैं, भूख लग रही है, तो अब मैं कुछ बहुत सारा फैंसी तो कुछ बना नहीं पाऊंगी. Let me just go in the kitchen, see whatever's there and just make do something. So also guys, meanwhile I posted 2 new polls. As today is Tuesday, so the first poll is ki should I upload on my regular time, which is 8 PM, or should I shift to 6 PM for today. But 8 PM is winning till now, so I don't have to do anything for that now. And the second poll I asked you was, after having lunch, should I take a nap or should I edit videos? So we'll see the results after we finish the lunch. So let's go in the kitchen and make some lunch. Okay guys, so for lunch I decided to make a salad. So I already had these sprouts, ये रोंगे के sprouts already बने पड़े थे. Then मैंने 2 सलामीज और थोड़ा सा पनीर रेडी किया. पहले मैं इसको stir fry करूँगी. And then I have some खीरा. प्याज टमाटर डाल सकते हो if you want to. And I don't eat प्याज टमाटर. Okay. Okay guys, so it's time for me to have my salad. Usually मैं ड्राइंग रूम में नीचे बैठ के कभी भी सैलेड नहीं खाती हूँ, बट ऐसे ही मैंने सोचा चलो सब लंच तो कर ही चुके, मैं आराम से ड्राइंग रूम में बैठती हूँ. एंड ऊपर बैठ के सोफे पे खाने का एंगल सही नहीं बैठ रहा था, इसलिए मैं नीचे बैठ गई. ओके, यूट्यूबर्स लाइफ. एंड दिस लुक्स गुड. ये कॉम्बिनेशन वैसे मैंने पहली बार बनाया, बट आई एम गोना टेस्ट इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइज एंड आई होप इट्स गुड. This salad is bomb. It's really good. Now let me have this and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so the lunch is done and it was quite a filling salad. And now I actually feel like taking a nap, and I'm so happy that you guys also chose that I should take a nap. So I'm gonna have a nap now. It's 3 o'clock right now, so I think I'll take a nap till 5. So before taking my nap, I am going to post some new polls, and the first one is going to be about my nails. So I'm going to ask you if I should remove my nail paint or I should remove and apply a new one as well. So let's see what you guys decide. And then I'm also going to ask you that in the evening, should I go for a walk or I should just chill and sit in the garden. And the third thing I'm going to ask you guys is, should I have Bonvita shake or should I have mango shake, because I really like to have some kind of shake or coffee in the evening. Okay guys, so my nap is now over. I totally enjoyed it. It was the best part, you guys. It was the best thing you guys could do to me today, and I totally enjoyed having my nap. And then I posted what should I have, mango shake or मतलब भी करनी होती है ना, सारे मतलब आते हैं. So I said in the evening I should go to the park or go for a walk. So sit in the garden has 56 votes and go for a park, go for a walk has 44. I'm so glad. I was in no mood to go to a walk after this amazing nap. So I'm glad I'm gonna sit in the garden now. And for the mango shake and Bournvita shake, mango shake won. Like literally one. Mango shake is 71 and Bournvita has 29. So I'm gonna have my mango shake now. और मैं भी next polls भी डालने वाली हूँ. So one of them is going to be which mask should I apply? I should apply a clay mask or I should apply a sheet mask today. And then I'm also going to ask you guys what should I have for dinner, like healthy or unhealthy. And then I will decide what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my mango shake. And I will also upload the video which I have to today on YouTube. Like it has to go live at 8. तो अभी जो भी अपलोड वाला काम है वो भी थंबनेल बनाना है, अपलोड करना है. I'm gonna do those things right now, sitting here enjoying the weather and enjoying my mango shake. Okay guys, so it's dinner time and you guys, most of you chose healthy. I was so rooting for unhealthy. दिन में भी बाहर से खाना खाने नहीं दिया और अब भी हेल्दी खाने बोला है, तो पर चलो ठीक है. आज मम्मा ने दाल चावल बनाए. कौन सी दाल है मम्मा? ये चने की दाल है, चावल है, हरी चटनी है, हरी मिर्ची है. वेरी वेरी हेल्दी फूड. एंड अभी बहुत सारे पोल्स रहते हैं, सो आई एम गोना हैव दिस एंड सी यू गाइस इन अ बिट. Okay guys, so I'm done with my dinner and I'm glad I ate healthy today and I'm glad you chose all the healthy options today. So इसी बहाने मैंने सारा दिन healthy खा लिया, नहीं तो मैं खाती तो हूँ नहीं. But nonetheless, we are left with 2-3 polls now. So the first poll which I asked you was I should remove this nail paint or I should you know, change it as well. So I'm going to change my nail paint, and the nail paint I'm going to apply is from Nykaa. This is their Unicorn Potion. This is such a nice metallic shade and it's in the shade, I'll say 239. But before I apply my nail paint, I also asked you guys, should I do a sheet mask or should I do a clay mask? So most of you voted for sheet mask. Like इसमें तो बहुत ही कम difference था, तो I was like चलो sheet mask लगाते हैं आज. तो the sheet mask I'm going to use is the Mamaearth rose water bamboo sheet mask and I'm going to use this. So this is a very nice sheet mask. I've used this pehle bhi. I have done a full review on this. It's such a good one. You should definitely try out this. So the nail paint remover I use is from Color Bar. It's a really good one. It's about to get finished. And you see how easy it was with this, like one wipe and done. Okay, so my nail paint is all removed and I'm going to apply this Unicorn nail paint, and this is very tight. I have not even opened my nail paint since like 7-8 months. So guys, I've tried a lot. ये nail paint तो नहीं खुल रही. इसको मैंने ऊपर से दांत से भी खोलने की कोशिश किया, but it's just not opening. So I'm gonna open my nail paints का पिटारा and see what else can I apply. I think I can do this one. So I have this very nice powder blue shade from Wet n Wild. This is like one of my favorite nail paints. This is in the shade, it's Putting on Airs. Yes, this is perfectly fine. So I'm going to apply this. I'll apply one on camera. Okay guys, so this is my nail paint. This is how it's looking. Abhi sides thodi kam clean hai, but I'll do them later. This looks very nice, very bluey, very beautiful. So I'm going to let my nails rest and I'm gonna keep my sheet mask as it is. And I also posted one more poll that after dinner, should I watch Netflix or should I read a book? Personally, I so wanted you guys should not vote for reading a book because I don't read books at all. Hi guys, so it's 12 right now. My face is so glowing. The sheet mask is really good and my nail paint has also dried. और ये थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया है. If you can see, like from here, can you see? I don't think you can. And for Netflix, I watched Sexify. It's a great series. मैंने शुरू की हुई थी तो 1-2 episodes उसके देख चुकी हूँ. And I think I'll watch one more episode before I go to sleep. But that's how I end this video right here. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed controlling a day in my life. And the best part, according to me, was that you guys gave me a nap, because I hardly sleep in the day, but I love to sleep in the day. So I think that was the best, and now I can easily watch one more episode because I slept in the day. And that's it. And the thing I liked the least was I wanted to eat something junk. कुछ ऐसे बाहर का खाने का मन था मेरा, but ना तो दिन में मुझे बाहर से खाना मंगाने दिया, ना ही रात को मुझे अनहेल्दी खाने दिया. But okay, जो भी हुआ बहुत अच्छा हुआ. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys liked it too. If you liked it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. I'll see you guys super soon. I upload new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So stay tuned. Bye.